Hello everybody, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the McDonald's chicken strips, or the buttermilk crispy tenders, the 4-piece. It's brand new and this is my first time trying it. I tried to get the signature sauce, however they were out, so it must be popular and hopefully I get a chance to try it. But in place of that, I got the spicy buffalo sauce. It comes in a packaging like this. This looks like it's got an area to put your sauces right here. This is the boxing. And the main event. Wow, the chicken tenders. These are quite big. I expected them to be big because they're selling for like $3.99. That's quite expensive for 4 chicken tenders. So these are the pieces I got. This pretty nice big pieces except for this one and this. So alright, let me see if I can use this little sauce area. I just ruined it. Oh, it's pretty easy to open. And the sauce. Alright, I'm gonna dip this here. Here's what it looks like. Little peppery pieces in the batter and with the sauce. It tastes pretty good. You can tell it's nice white meat. It tastes pretty good with the batter. I'd say 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's pretty good. And I'd say it's worth the money also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you get the chicken tenders and you enjoy them as well. I'd say McDonald's made a good move adding this on the menu, and I hope that they keep them. Thank you again for clicking on this video. Have a good day.